on the way to Victory Liner Cubao. I am going to Baguio. Baguio in 12 hours.
Christmas po.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, ma'am.
Sobrang daming tao. It's arrived, Baguio. It's 2 a.m. I'm planning to buy my ticket back to Manila. It's not as cold as before. I don't know if it's just me. Probably it's around 20 degrees or 21. Ano pong available later hapon to Cubao?
5:40 p.m. po.
Medyo masungit si ate. 2:30, baka antok na siya. So my trip is gonna be at 5:40 later in the afternoon. And let's see where am I going for the whole day. First, we get a taxi. Kuya Volante, Session Road. Imagine, 54.50 yung fare ko. Binigyan ko siya 55. Binibigyan niya ako 50 cents. It's not as what as I remember. I remembered it as bigger and longer. I don't know about the taste. Here at the Easy Peasy Cafe. It's a cafe like a hostel capsule type-ish. I did not check in because I will only stay here for 12 hours and I just need some place to charge and recharge myself. So I'll see you in a while. Good morning. So we just checked out and it cost us like 150 pesos each. So not bad for a power nap. We're just gonna go to our breakfast destination. So we just finished our breakfast and we're on our way to another cafe which has a really nice view. I think I haven't been there yet, but yeah, I'm gonna see it in a while. And it's just like 5 minutes away, 10 minutes away by foot. Hi baby! Hi!
Alam mo ba?
May ukay. This is actually so nice. Wow. hirap. Wala nang yosi areas. Which is actually understandable, but ang perfect sana kung kape yosi. So, I'm here with the locals. This is Mona. Actually good at cooking.
Local?
If you're into investment, property investments, condos, and other stuff,
Buti na lang
please contact
corporate.
Liv.
Buti na lang corporate.
Guys.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Ganon.
Comment down below for any ideas on my next video.
Sobrang traffic. Wala masyadong taxi, kaya mega walk kami. And coffee shop hopping. Hindi kami umorder, pero check lang. So there's no taxi. We have to walk all the way to the city. Hopefully, we can get a cab somewhere halfway through. A lot has changed. Recently, they had this parade, Pasiglaban. So there's like artwork. So welcome to our alma mater. From this side, wala masyado nagbago. Madaming constructions. And yeah, almost the same. Wow! So we're here in the lobby. Basically, tambayan to ng mga tao. Wow! Sosyal. Medyo nagbago yung flooring and leveling. I think. Whoa! What? May museum na rin. Museo Cordillera. This is our tambayan. Sigma Beta. Hi, Sigma Beta. Hi, Kat. Buntis. Hi. May uod ka sa puwet. Hi. Ikaw ba yung asawa? Ikaw yung ng buntis. Cats of UP Baguio. Wow. Before, para siyang bakanting hall for shadows. This one, wow. Kung saan kami nag-enroll and kung saan nagpa-perform. Daming budget. Kasi mataas na yung tuition. Sarap. Bakit may coffee shop? Chas. Sabi, kulang yung 12 hours to tour. To tour around Baguio.
Ay, naka 12 hours ka na.
Oo nga eh, 3 a.m. Tinulog yung or sa bagay. Tinulog yung 4 hours. Ay hindi, mga 6 hours. Charot. Dati wala tong harang, wala tong fence. As in, straight lang. Oy! Tabak! Hi, Tabak! Nandito yung pangalan ko eh. Yun yun. May fort. Twinkle and fort. Ay, ito! Bak!
Sino si Fort?
Someone. Wala masyado ng stairs. I mean, meron, pero yung hindi na yung bongga. Ito yung library. So, dito kami nagpapa-xerox ng mga readings. Readings na hindi naman binabasa. So, kailan daw ang completion date na tong mga to? Ay, Bonggay FA. Wow.
Hindi pa rin po nagbabago. Ganun pa rin. Ay, naku, matanda na po kami. 2005 pa.
FA, hello! Wow! Oh my! Sino nag-donate na to? Chat. What? Iba na talaga mga kabataan ngayon. Parang nung nagbabahay-bahayan ako, isasabit ko yung mga kumot. Ay, ang saya. So, pag bored ka na, paint ka lang. Charot. Ganda! Ganda na sablay. Good job! What? Oo nga eh. Hindi ko na alam kung saan yung sablay ko. Char. Staray. Hack. Wow! Ano to? Likod ng CAC? Wow!
NCS, di ba, Daddy?
Ah.
There's a garden every parang green.
Nakakaloka. Parking na yon ng SM. Yung dati namin ni Rally. Tapos, madami siyang puno before. Ngayon, moink. Ang nangyari. Sobrang konti ng tao. Pwede ka mag-tumbling. Yung akala mo, traffic sa road. Traffic din maglakad. We need to ukay because it's not Baguio without ukay. And it has a lot of cats. And still waiting on it. It costs like 90 pesos. No, 100. What can you say about the bulalo? Nakita